Do you have problem managing your time on YouTube and you need help? One case, and in this video I will show you how to access tools to manage your time on YouTube. The first thing is open up your YouTube app, and then at the bottom here click on the U icon. And once you've done that, you go all the way down first of all, then you click on time watched. Now you can see the number of hours you spend on YouTube for that day and the last 7 days. So at the bottom here you have tools to manage your YouTube time. You have 3 tools. The first one is to remind you to take a break. Second, remind you when it's bedtime. And the last option is to autoplay on mobile, which when you finish watching the video, another one will play automatically. So once you turn on the first two and turn off the third one, the time you spend on YouTube will be managed properly. Because number one, you get to manage to take breaks every 2 hours or whenever time you choose, and you get to manage when to go to bed at the time you specified also. And then you've turned off autoplay, which means one video ends, the other does not start playing automatically. So with these 3 tools, you'll be able to manage your time on YouTube. I know you found this video helpful, so do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel, because we put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.